This is Pat Lilly Understructure Repair, wrapping one up June the 24th, 2018, Lebanon, Virginia. We are wrapping it up. We gotta blow this out with our blower. There's the last of the snake skin, and over there to the crawl space door, we've insulated the door, and it is completely and totally airtight. We're at www.understructurerepair.com, or you can call us direct at 423-967-6172. This was quite a disaster when we started. 2 full days of prep, removing the insulation. That is 12 mil SilverBack on the ground and halfway up the walls. And that is multi-layered Reflectix and poly in between. There's actually 5 layers. Lebanon, Virginia, over and out.